Hello, Binance is full of rewards. During this Ramadan month, anybody can get any amount of money. It doesn't mean that you have to be a Muslim or following the Islam to get this reward. Just go to more services and click on Ramadan under recommended option. It's for everyone. I'm just telling you there is nothing religious. So Ramadan calendar 2025, celebrate Ramadan 2025 with Binance. Claim your share of $750,000 in crypto rewards by joining fun daily events, challenges, and all the things. Under the daily surprises, click on the fifth one that is opened today. Binance Tawula. Play our fun backgammon inspired game. Complete swap or airdrop task to earn points. First to hit 45 points will share the $50 K prize pool. Click on see more to complete the task. So Binance Tawula, play to share $50,000 in ACE rewards, and this is valid till 1 April 2025. Equal split of 50,000 USDC across 10K winners who complete all social and on-chain swap tasks on Binance wallet. Swap minimum of $10 USDC to ACE on BSC. Swap a minimum of $10 USDC to BNB on BSC. These are the two main tasks, and also complete all social tasks by following specified accounts. Only keyless Binance wallet users will be available. Click on join campaign to join this activity and reward activity. Once you join, you will have to finish 5 tasks. First task is swap USDC to BNB, that is minimum is $10. Second is swap USDC to ACE, that is also a minimum $10. Then you have to follow an X account of 3 specified accounts without fail. Airdrop completion reward will be 5 out of 5, and you will be shared 50,999 ACE share. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates.